Ilabas mo kamay mo! Labas! Narinig ko! Narinig ko, hindi ako makahinga! Ilabas mo kasi kamay mo!
Binubugbog si Terence Lim na OSA Senate employee.
Binubugbog ng NBI sa loob ng Senate premises. At nung binugbog na, ayaw pandalin sa medical. Ayan, nakatayo na. Oh. Footage ng GMA yan. May footage din na. Dinadala sa kotse ng NBI. Pwede ba yung usaan na kunin ang taga-PSG at isakay ng sasakyan ng Senate at kunin sa Malacanang? Pwede ba yung usaha pumasok ng Supreme Court at kunin yung isang security ng Supreme Court at isakay? Yan, pinusasan, isasakay sa sasakyan ng NBI. Tingnan nyo sa kaliwa, yung mga taga-NBI, pinipigilan yung ibang usahan na tulungan si Terence.
Pinagtulungan ang isang Senate Security OSA Terence Lim ng mga taong allegedly, I'm not sure who they are, within Senate premises na nambugbog. Yung punot dulo nito ay hindi tayo sigurado kung ano ang kanilang gustong gawin.
Madam President, I am 1,000% sure, 10 times over 100% sure, that hindi to inauthorize ni Senate President Soto. In fact, when this happened, ako na ang Senate President. So I'm also 1,000% sure na hindi ko to inauthorize. And if you look at our rules and the Constitution, we have jurisdiction over our premises. So, dun sa nagsasabing hindi inatake ang Senado, sige, nagpipigil na nga ako, hindi na nga ako nagsasalita eh. Pero nakita nyo nangyari yan. So, ano yung context ng CONAS? I don't take it against Senator Soto, Senator Lacson, Senator Bam Aquino, Senator Kiko. They were not senators from 2022 to 2025. When Senator Mig Subiri and the rest of the group had to deal with the PI issue. Okay, that's in the past. So moving na. Okay. So I think lahat naman po tayo na ilabas na natin ang ating mga opinion. And I'm not stopping anyone from talking. It's a holiday on Wednesday. It's a day that Muslim Filipinos will be celebrating. Dapat makiisa po tayo sa paniniwala ng bawat isa out of respect, not sa same paniniwala. And I'm not suggesting we stop talking about politics. I'm suggesting number one, na pagbigyan ako ni Senator Amy na i-withdraw instead of ipa-strike off. Bakit po? Nakalagay kasi sa rules natin, any statement, and I paraphrasing, no, that offends a senator or the institution. No, so theoretically, may sabihin lang aking kaibigan Senator Migs, even if it's correct o hindi. It's the reason for this rule. What rule is that? That's yeah. No senator under any circumstance shall use offensive or improper language against another senator or against any public institution. This has happened many, many times in this August hall. This has happened. We offended each other. But why do you have this rule? Because we're collegial eh. The reality is we have to go home tonight, upset at each other, but we have to go back tomorrow and work. Yun yung spirit nung sinabi ni Senator Pia na nangamusta ba? Because siguro, sa lahat sa atin, bukod sa hindi siya mapolitika, she genuinely treats everyone here as her friend. So when something traumatic happens, many of our kababayans don't know that while myself, Senator Mark were in my room, Senator Loren, Senator Camille, and Senator Pia, once the security find out na barilan na, rushed into my room, turned off the light, then pushed them into a smaller room, yung banyo. Diba? So, it's traumatic. You may criticize what she said, how she said it, etc. But akala ko ba all feelings are valid? Bakit pag na-trauma yung nasa majority ngayon, mali. Pero pag na-trauma yung minority, okay lang. Diba? I'm talking in general. Whether you talk about green, yellow, pink. So, labas na ako dyan. Hindi naman ako Senate President ng buong bansa in the sense that I'm not elected like the Vice President and the President. I'm Senate President, but I am the servant leader of the 24 senators, including Senator Bato. I'm here at your service. Kung papayagan ako ni Senator Amy, then I'll ask her to withdraw. Number 2, kung papayagan ako ng minority, tomorrow let's talk about the impeachment, but let's also talk about what are your priorities. What are our priorities? Let's use the last few session days. You want to talk about changing the Senate President? I won't take it against you. It's your right. Pero wag tayo dun sa yung integridad ng institusyon kasi syempre, didepensa kami. 'Di ba? Dahil ang tingin namin, bumaksak na to dati pa. But we're not pointing fingers. Bakit bumaksak? We're just letting history judge it. Sabi po nung iba, fresh start. Bakit? Hindi ba fresh start pagdating ko? Hindi pa nga ako nagsa-start, inuupakan na ako eh. Ganun na ganun nangyari sa SEA Games. When I was Secretary of Foreign Affairs, not a threat, serving everyone, wala akong problema sa SEA Games. As soon as I ran for Congress at sinabing magsi-speaker, kaliwat kanan na yung banat sa akin. But we proved them wrong. Nanahimik kami, overall champion, most number of gold medals, and it launched the careers of many in the Olympics. So, again, I can take that attitude. Sa SEA Games, nagpagulpe muna ako. Actually, wala naman akong choice. Pero, hindi kami gumante. Bakit? Because in the end, the performance will decide or will dictate whether we were justified or not yung mga pinanggagawa. So the same with me. Judge me as Senate President every single day, every single week. Kung tatagal ako ng 1 month, 2 months, edi for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, di ba? Pero yung inuunahan, hindi pa nga nag-uumpisa, fresh start na, medyo foul naman yon. Yes, it's political, pero medyo foul naman, di ba? So I guess yun lang naman po ang spirit ng ating mga privilege speech dito.